Hi, Namaste all. This is Dr. Meenakshi. So, before 2 to 3 days, I uploaded a video about the vaccination for COVID-19, right? So, I recorded about the frequently asked questions in a vaccination. So, our next and major question, which is running in everyone's mind nowadays, is about vaccination, is whether the breastfeeding and pregnant women should take the vaccination or not, right? So today I took this topic about vaccination for pregnant women and lactating women, that is breastfeeding mothers. So yes, our government, before it was not approved because the study was going on, but on May 19th 2021, last May 19th, government approved the vaccination for even lactating mothers, that is breastfeeding mothers, and pregnant women. It was the major day for all pregnant women and lactating mothers, right? Because all these lactating mothers, that is breastfeeding mothers and the pregnant women, were in fear that we can't take vaccination also, and if we get attacked it will be a major issue, major problem for our health. So the government approved for them also. They studied about the vaccination for pregnant women and lactating mothers, and they approved for vaccination for even breastfeeding mothers, that is lactating mothers and pregnant women. That is on May 19, 2021, government approved. And the next is the major problem why in some people's mind, that is there is that if we take the vaccine it will affect the pregnant fetus in a pregnant woman and breastfeeding babies, right? That all remove from your mind, because when you take the vaccine it will not affect the fetus or a feeding baby. The vaccination will create or produce the antibodies in your body, right? It will produce the antibodies. The production of antibodies will take place after taking vaccination. It will not harm any your nutritional value. Whatever you are giving for your fetus and for your feeding baby is nutrition, that is right. From for breastfeeding mothers, they will provide the nutrition of their body through breast milk for baby, and the fetus will get the nourishment through the mother. Here antibodies or vaccination, the foreign body won't have any effect on fetus or feeding baby. But we have the plus points, that is when the pregnant woman is vaccinated, first thing is she will be protected from coronavirus, and second thing is the antibodies, after production of antibodies, those antibodies will also go for the fetus through the nutrition, through the placenta. So here the fetus also, newborn baby also will be protected from coronavirus. And for breastfeeding baby, breastfeeding mothers, through the breast milk, they will give the antibodies protection for also the baby, so that the feeding baby also will be protected from the coronavirus, attacking of coronavirus. So you are not taking vaccine for a single person, you are taking vaccine here for both, that is for you and your child. This is about the government explanation. But the second opinion is all about left to pregnant mothers and lactating mothers, all left to them, their own choice. If they wish, if they are interested, then they can go and get their appointments for vaccination and they can take. No any don't keep any question mark in your mind, because after study only government will approve for vaccination, right? Without study no any medications will be approved. After getting approval only, after getting study about it only, they will be approved for the vaccination for pregnant women and ladies. So it is purely safe for both groups. Then again it's your choice and it's your interest. If you wish, then you can go and take. Okay. And next point about the breastfeeding mothers here is whether they will if the breastfeeding mother is COVID positive, got a COVID positive, then she can feed a baby or not. It is a big question mark about the breastfeeding mothers. Here the myth is she should not take baby with her, she should not feed the baby, the coronavirus will attack baby also, right? It is a big myth. Here no any transfusion of coronavirus through breastfeeding will not get for the baby, because how the coronavirus will spread through the droplets of the respiratory system, right? So only we are wearing mask for nose and throat, because this coronavirus will affect through the droplets of the respiratory system, not through the breast milk or blood or anything else. So the positive mother can perfectly feed her baby by skin to skin touch. One thing main is precautionary. She should take strict precautionary while feeding, that is wear mask, if possible wear face shield, everything, and you can feed your baby. And next thing about the vaccination is, in women's it will give many side effects, like in pregnancy, in fertility, in monthly cycle, and in puberty. It will cause side effects in women group especially. It is a myth. It is also myth only, because it will not cause any impact on maybe for conceiving age group, or maybe for fertility, or maybe for monthly cycle, or maybe for puberty. It will not cause any side effects. And also some will say that during a monthly cycle, menstrual cycle, you should not take vaccination, you will get affected. No, it is also wrong. It is also myth only. The one thing here we can consider is, as usual we will be weak, we will feel weak while bleeding, while in menstrual cycle the bleeding process will be going on, so we will be weak. So if we take vaccination, some will get side effects like fever, temperature, body pain, everything, right? So in such conditions, though already we will be weak, and through side effects we will feel still general weakness, fatigue. So by considering that point, if we avoid during menstrual cycle, it's better, but it will not impact any bad effects on menstrual cycle vaccination. One thing. And another thing is, it will not cause any bad impact on fertility, main thing, because this vaccination, what it is doing, after entering in your body, it will fight through the antibodies, and it will produce more antibodies in your body to protect against the coronavirus. So it will not impact any other systems in your body. And next thing about is, the major issue running through the society is, after taking vaccination, some are getting side effects and some are not getting side effects, like temperature, body pain, everything, right? It is a big question mark. The big myth about this is, if we get the temperature or body pain, our immune system is weak. If we didn't get the temperature, then our immune system is strong, right? This is the big myth running in society, in people. But it is very wrong, because it will not impact on your immune system. It will not depend on your immune system. Don't think that if my immune system is wrong, I'll get side effects like temperature, body pain, everything. Because some doctor by name, I added a slide, you can see, she's made a study on the persons who got side effects and the persons who didn't got the side effects. She got result is, the persons who got the side effects like temperature, body pain, everything after vaccination, they produced 400 antibodies in them, and versus who didn't got the side effects like temperature, body pain, everything, they produced 150 to 200 antibodies in them. So this shows that if you get the temperature, body pain, everything, it's good, because your antibodies are producing more there. If you didn't got the side effects, then your antibodies are less. Now if you didn't got the fever or the temperature or body pain, then don't be upset now by hearing this, because the antibodies are produced. How much antibodies you want to protect against the coronavirus are produced, though you get side effects or not. But the persons who got side effects like temperature and all, their antibodies will be produced more. rather than versus the side effects who didn't got. Here what I want to explain is, the all are thinking that if I got the side effects, then my immune system is weak, so I should be careful. Nothing that. If you got side effects, be happy that your antibodies are produced more compared to who didn't got the side effects. This was the studied and proved by doctor one of the doctor in society. So at last thing what I want to clear is, the main topic is, the breastfeeding mothers and the pregnant women's tank can take the vaccination. The next step is, all depends upon your choice and your interest. If you are interested, then you can go and take your vaccination according to your age schedule. Okay, so I think the video is helpful for you. If you have any other questions, you can comment in a comment section box. Thank you.